Crow Scarer versus upright hoover. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, doesn't. Is that a petrol bottle in there as well?
Yeah. Oh, has it gone out?
Yeah.
Well, Lee, that's yours. I think it's gone out.
Go from the side.
Yeah, that's gone out. Grab it. What am I going to do with that? Just drop another crow in. Yeah. You got a light?
Front cover.
Yeah, here you go.
I've got a crowy.
Yeah.
Front
Yeah.
cover, Lee.
What about it?
Want to go back on now? You got the time?
Oh, yeah.
Now
Yeah,
you're
you
not
got
shitting your
time,
pants.
We're still rolling, by the way.
No pressure.
There's loads of Jenga blocks around here.
Get the fuck out of here.
Can we go on?
Hold his hand.
It's got to be near the petrol, you know. Oh, it's dropped in. Yay!
Fucking hell.
That'll come fucking rainy. I just